Hi, my name is Maria Slobodina. I'm president of the ICJ, and today we're discussing the case of maritime delimitation in the Indian Ocean. So it's Somalia versus Kenya, and they're trying to delimit the boundary, and there's a lot of oil in the area. And we just had our first witness for the respondent, and he was the Ambassador of Kenya.
The well could end up with Al-Shabaab. Could that well also end up with the KKK?
Well, potentially, logically it could, but seeing as the United States is a much more stable state than Somalia, and Somalia has been found of funding Al-Shabaab, you can't really compare the United States to Somalia in that way, but however, logically I recognize that that could also be possible on this. My name is Jihad Kramer. I study at the British International School of Jeddah, and I'm the Ambassador of Kenya at this year's THIMUN conference. I was just in a meeting with the ICJ in which Kenya and Somalia had a territorial dispute over their maritime borders concerning the discovery of offshore oil in that area. And I, as a witness, had to defend the Kenyan point of view that Kenya has legitimate sovereignty over that area, and I had to answer questions from both the representatives of Kenya and the representatives of Somalia, as well as the judges, and I had to basically convince them of my point that Kenya has power over that area.
So my role is to really chair the debate and make sure the advocates follow the rules of direct and cross-examination, and that the judges get to ask questions as well.
Justify the oil block selling to the fact that Somalia had an unstable government. However, does the witness believe that any government that's unstable then should be exploited by its neighbor? Doesn't that intervene with friendliness between two countries?
Well, I'm not exactly sure of how to interpret friendliness in the system of international politics. However, in this case there are two contravening interests between two different states, and the potential risk of funds flowing into and funding terrorist organizations. So Kenya, as the more stable state and the less corrupt state, should and would be able to more effectively manage potential oil production and potentially make better use of all earnings.
Okay, I'm Naila Redding-Reuter. I'm from Germany. I'm a judge here at the ICJ. I find it quite a difficult case because it's hard to tell which method should be used to make the border, if it should be an equidistant one or if it should be a lateral one.
All right, Judge Bidik and Judge
So only because Kenya feels that they could manage the oil reserve better, that gives them the right to take it away from Somalia. Is that what the witness is saying?
Yes, the feeling that Kenya would be able to better manage the oil production is not based on opinion, however it's based on statistics and facts, seeing as Somalia already is encountering a surplus of the amount of oil that it is able to make full use of and manage effectively.
Is it not true that the companies that would be the benefactors of the leased oil blocks would be large multinational corporations with A, very little risk of corruption, and B, no links with extremist terrorist organizations?
Yes, most likely.
Would the witness not agree that it is a hypocritical approach to call out Somalia's corruption when he has confirmed throughout his testimony that Kenya is corrupt itself?
Well, the witness said that Kenya is not as corrupt as Somalia, so I'm not exactly sure what the point is that you're making.
But I personally think that Somalia is right.
Okay, thank you. And with that, the time for examining the witness has elapsed.
And it's going splendidly, and we should get some really interesting deliberation done in the afternoon as well.